Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing the Samsung 990 Pro 2TB solid-state drive, priced at a reasonable £120. As we delve into the package, the first thing that strikes us is the sleek, compact design of this SSD. The Samsung 990 Pro embodies sophistication in its simplicity. It's incredibly lightweight, hinting at its convenience for on-the-go use. This drive is not just about power, it's also about portability and style. With the package open, we're already impressed with the sleek and compact design of the Samsung 990 Pro. Moving on to the performance, this SSD is not just a pretty face. With read and write speeds of up to 3,500 and 3,000 megabytes per second respectively, the Samsung 990 Pro delivers lightning-fast file transfers and reduced loading times. Its 2 TB storage capacity allows for ample space to store all your files, games, and software. Additionally, its advanced heat management technology ensures cool operation even under heavy workloads. The Samsung 990 Pro is a powerhouse of performance, offering blazing fast speeds and an impressive 2 TB storage capacity. Now, we're going to talk about how easy it is to install the Samsung 990 Pro. The process is as simple as connecting it to your device with the included cables and following a few straightforward steps. This sleek and compact SSD offers blazing fast speeds and an impressive 2 TB storage capacity. Additionally, the advanced heat management technology ensures cool operation and optimal performance, even under a heavy load. In conclusion, the Samsung 990 Pro 2TB SSD, priced at just £120, is a perfect blend of performance, capacity, and affordability. That wraps up our unboxing and review of the Samsung 990 Pro 2TB SSD. Priced at a mere £120, this powerhouse offers top-tier performance, massive storage capacity, and advanced heat management. It's a fantastic investment for gamers, creative professionals, or anyone seeking extra storage. So, if you're intrigued by the Samsung 990 Pro, don't hesitate to take the plunge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more great content. See you next time.